Hello, friend, to faithful connection. Let your heart be still and feel this moment. The lights are off, the room is quiet, and your body is lying very still on the mattress. The outside world seems to have retreated into the darkness. But right inside you, everything shows no sign of stopping. Your mind is still busy thinking, busy reminiscing about what happened, or struggling to arrange and prepare for tomorrow's plans. Your body is truly ready to rest. But today is still unfinished and bustling right inside your soul. Ancient monastics understood a deep secret, that true healing at night does not begin from the moment you fall asleep, but it begins from the moment you have the courage to let today end. What if the reason you can never rest fully is not because you lack sleep, but because today has never truly ended inside your heart? Throughout the long day, your nervous system has had to work in a high state of alertness to help you process work and face life's fluctuations. This is a natural and necessary survival mechanism. However, the body only truly begins the process of repairing and regenerating cells when it receives a signal of absolute safety. When you carry worries and tensions, or even fragments of regret from the day into your bed, your mind has unintentionally sent a message that everything is still unfinished. Because of this incomplete signal, your body does not dare to relax completely. It still has to silently stand guard to protect you, even in the darkness. Please do not blame yourself, because this is not your personal fault, but only an unconscious habit of modern life. And we are here to learn together how to recognize and gently put that burden down. I want you to understand clearly that these guiding words are absolutely not a sleep exercise or a complicated technique that you need to strive to practice correctly. Here, there is nothing that you have to conquer, and there is no goal that you must achieve. All that we perform tonight is merely a gentle gesture from deep within, a quiet confirmation that you allow today to be officially closed. Remember that tonight you do not need to try to heal yourself. You are only allowing today to truly stop. Right now, when you have settled on your bed with the soft light soothing the surrounding space, I invite you to let your body stay in its most natural state. You absolutely do not need to try to change your posture, nor do you need to force yourself to breathe according to any rhythm or complicated technique. Completely set aside the need to do something correctly. The only important thing now is to pause the preparation, pause the calculation or arrangement for what will happen tomorrow. Allow your mind to rest from all intentions and worries. In this sacred moment, let all of tomorrow's plans wait outside the door of this room. This is a completely private space for rest, where tomorrow does not yet exist, and the burden of yesterday has truly retreated. Now, try to bring your attention back to the body, lying here. Please do not strive to find a right feeling or perfect relaxation. Just simply notice if your shoulders are currently slightly raised, as if trying to carry something. Feel your jaw area, whether the teeth are clenched together because of words not yet spoken or pressures not yet released. And the stomach area too. Is there a gentle contraction happening there, as if to hold a worry or an unfinished intention? You see, today does not only reside in the noisy thoughts in the mind, but it also creeps and hides right in every muscle fiber and tone of your body. Those physical tensions are the remaining traces of the efforts and alertness during the past dozen hours. We are not here to fix or force the body to relax immediately. You only need to do one single thing, which is to see them and recognize their presence in the most tolerant way. Just a silent look of recognition, and you have begun to invite natural release back to yourself. Now, in the stillness of the soul, I invite you to perform a very gentle inner gesture. No need to utter words. You only need to silently tell yourself an idea that nothing from today needs to continue with me at this time. Perhaps right now you still cannot fully trust that statement, or you feel you are still attached to the clutter. But please rest assured, healing does not require you to reach perfection or an immediate state of enlightenment. Our bodies are very intelligent. They only need to be shown a direction, a suggestion of an exit, for them to begin the self-adjustment process. Ancient monastics understood a truth that letting go is never an expression of weakness or surrender. On the contrary, it is a pinnacle of biological wisdom. When we know how to make room for the natural flow of life to operate without the intervention of a tired will. When you agree to put today down, you are giving each cell a chance to breathe, to be revived, and to return to the most original state of peace. Now, I will not give any further instructions, and I invite you to be completely in your own stillness. At this moment, there is no exercise you need to complete, nor is there any attention you need to strive to maintain or guard. If a thought suddenly appears in the mind, just let it naturally float away like a cloud passing through the distant sky. Do not chase it, and do not drive it away. If drowsiness is slowly coming and wants to take you away, just gently let it lead you into the dream world without any resistance. You do not need to be a sentry for yourself at this time anymore, because all that we are doing is absolutely not a tiring practice, but simply an unconditional permission. It is the permission for you to exist without purpose, to rest without reason, and to completely dissolve into the vast silence of the night. Let the darkness envelop you. Let the silence soothe every cell, like the gentle Mother Earth embracing and supporting the small sprout in the deep, dark night. In this process of relaxing, sometimes we accidentally fall into a subtle psychological trap, which is the desire for today to end in a truly complete and beautiful way. Many of us try to look for a clear sense of relief, strive to see that we have truly let go completely, or lie in wait for the sign of approaching sleep. But dear friend, that very desire to feel that you have succeeded in resting is an expression of a working mentality, an effort that belongs only to the noisy daytime. When you are still busy checking if you have relaxed enough, or struggling to evaluate if the mind is truly still, then in reality, today is still continuing under another form of craving and control. Understand that ending a day does not necessarily have to be accompanied by an ecstatic emotion or a special bodily sign. Today does not need a perfect summary or a happy ending for you to begin to rest. The deep truth we need to understand is that today does not need an elaborate closing. It only needs a simple permission to be stopped. Do not turn rest into a final task, to be excellently completed. But just let everything be unfinished, be quiet, and be stopped in its own most natural way. We often mistakenly think that sleep is an action that we must try to perform at all costs. But in reality, deep sleep is never a state that the mind can directly observe or feel. The moment you truly enter sleep is the moment when the guard of consciousness has completely left his post. If you are still lying there to silently check your breathing, to monitor if the body is numb, or to wait for a sign of grogginess, then that persistent observing self is the barrier preventing you from reaching absolute stillness. Ancient monastics understood a simple truth. that sleep only truly appears when there is no longer anyone sitting there to watch or wait for it. It is not a destination for you to conquer, but a natural consequence arising when human control completely disappears. Tonight, I invite you to give up setting any standards for your sleep. You may sink into the darkness immediately, or you may still lie here in the stillness a bit longer. And please understand that both are completely fine, and there is nothing wrong. Peace does not lie in how many hours you sleep, but in whether you have enough courage to stop demanding a certain result for tonight or not. When you stop playing the role of supervisor for yourself, your body will automatically find its inherent biological rhythm. Sleep is like a silent and subtle guest. That guest will never enter the house if the owner is still standing at the threshold full of desire and craving. Only when that owner truly rests, when all waiting has vanished, can sleep gently step forward and cover your entire soul in infinite peace. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up and slowly open your eyes to greet the first rays of sunlight of the new day, I invite you to perform a final act of compassion for yourself, which is to absolutely not rush to grade or evaluate the quality of the sleep just experienced. Our inherent habit is often to immediately analyze how many hours we slept, whether that sleep was truly deep or not, and if the body feels a bit heavy, we often give it a negative label as a failed night. You need to understand deeply that evaluating or grading sleep is actually how you are unintentionally bringing the burden of present anxiety to place into even tomorrow night, creating an endless cycle of mental pressure. When you give rise to a disappointment about not sleeping well, you are silently planting seeds of insecurity for the moment you lie down the next evening, making sleep become a tired race instead of a pure and sacred rest. A restless night, or an unsatisfactory sleep, absolutely cannot determine your health or human value, because our bodies have their own unique and extremely intelligent recovery cycles that limited consciousness cannot fully grasp. Healing sometimes does not happen the way we expect, but it accumulates silently through every moment of stillness that you have patiently spent for yourself. Trust that even on nights when you think you are still awake, deep inside, the cells are still quietly performing their regeneration work, according to a sacred and extremely persistent rhythm. I want you to remember an important truth: that true healing is not a visible state that you can easily notice with ordinary senses, but it is what is still silently continuing to happen, even without your constant attention or supervision. Give your body the right to repair itself in its own way, without any judgment or expectation, so that every morning you wake up, you can smile and embrace a new day with a soul that is completely empty light and free from all burdens of the past. We need to understand deeply that the body only truly begins its miraculous healing work when you no longer carry any role or identity. Throughout the long day, you have had to carry the responsibility of a parent, a dedicated employee, or a filial child. And all those masks, no matter how precious, are burdens that you need to take off before entering the darkness of rest. When you shed all duties, when you stop trying to hold on to intentions or things to be completed, the body will receive a sacred signal that the time of service has ended and the time of regeneration has begun. The miracle of recovery does not lie in the number of hours you close your eyes, but in the courage when you allow yourself to become zero, to become a pure entity, without a name and without any remaining constraints. Each night, you learn to end today more completely. You will find your tomorrow becomes much lighter and more elegant. The exhaustion we often feel does not entirely come from a heavy workload. but from the fact that we do not know how to close what is no longer necessary to carry. Remember a deep wisdom that true rest does not simply come from sleep, but it comes from knowing how to end what no longer needs to continue. When the day truly stops inside your soul, that is when new life begins to silently sprout in every cell and breath of peace. Hello, friend of fateful connection. We have gone together to the final moments of tonight's silent journey before you truly throw yourself into the gentle darkness of sleep. I only hope you will engrave one single message, which is before sleeping, let today be truly ended. If you feel your soul has become lighter and want to perform a final confirmation ritual with me, leave a comment as a sincere commitment to yourself that tonight I let today end. If these guiding words have brought you peace and helped you find balance in your mind, I am honored to continue to welcome you to stay with this space so that we can walk together on the path of healing and awakening. Now you have nothing left to hear and nothing left to do. Just let this stillness cover your entire body and mind and allow all fatigue to completely vanish into the void. Wishing you a very peaceful and complete night and letting go peace of mind and body. Goodbye, and see you again.